How to fix app crashing or freezing issue on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. There are several reasons for app crashing or freezing issue like storage is full, app update missing, software update missing on your device. So let's see one by one. In this video, I will show you 6 different methods to fix the app crashing or freezing issue on a Samsung device. First method, check the app update is available or not on your device. To check for the app update, open the app drawer, tap the Play Store, tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Make sure internet is working. Manage apps and device. Here you can see the see details. If available app update, tap on the update option of the app to update the application on your device and check fix the app issue or not. Second method, restart your phone. So swipe down the notification panel from the top, tap the power button, tap the restart, tap again to restart your phone and open the application and check fix the app issue on your device. Third method, make sure your storage is not full. Otherwise, suddenly app stop working or app not responding. To check the storage, open the app drawer, tap the settings, scroll down up to device care. Here you can find the device care. Tap on it. Now here you can see the storage. Here available the storage. If storage is full, tap on the storage. And here you can see the option to free up space. Delete the recycle bin file, delete unused application, delete duplicate files, or delete the unnecessary large files from the list. That will free up space on your device and easily access application or fix the app crashing or freezing issue. Fourth method, clear the app cache. If you know the specific app using the issue like any messages app issue, WhatsApp issue, Facebook app issue, so you need to clear the app cache. To clear the specific app cache, go to settings on your device, scroll down up to apps, tap the apps. Here you can find the list of different application. So select the application you want to clear cache. Here we select the Facebook application. You can tap your favorite. Now tap on a storage in the usage section. At the bottom right, you can see the clear cache. So tap on a clear cache to remove the cache. It will delete the temporary file of this application on your device. If you still facing the issue, tap on a clear data. It will permanently delete all your this application data. So make sure backup your important data. So clear the data also. If you still facing the issue, apply the fifth method. Check for the software update. So make sure your device is updated with the latest software version. To check it, go to settings, scroll down up to software update. Here you can find the software update. Tap on it. Tap on a download and install. Network not available. Make sure internet is working on your device. So here we connect the internet on my device. Now connect the Wi-Fi. Now download and install and check for a system software update is available or not on my Samsung device. Here you can see the One UI version 7, Android version 15. So update my device with the latest. And the last method you can use to delete the application and reinstall it again on your device. So open the app drawer and long press the application you want to remove or you want to app crashing or freezing issue. Tap on uninstall. Tap on OK to uninstall it. Now uninstall application. Again open the Play Store and download it on your device and check fix the app crashing issue on your S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So if you still facing the issue after applying all this method, contact the Samsung support team. That's it. Like it, share it.